Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the result for respondents on G-form. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google form and I'm going to show you how you can turn off the view result for respondents. First of all, we need to go to the Google form settings right here. Select these settings and you're going to go to the presentation setting right here. You can manage how the form and responses are presented. Click on this little arrow, and if you want to turn off the view result for the respondents, you can click on this toggle button. As you can see that the view result summary for the respondents is turned on, and I'm going to disable it just like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off the result for respondents on Google form. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.